In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Etsy shop to your Facebook page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, clickable link on your Facebook page that sends visitors straight to your Etsy store, which is a great way to turn casual page visitors into real customers. First, open your Etsy account and head over to your Shop Manager dashboard. This is the main control center for your Etsy shop, where you manage your listings, orders, and settings. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you're on the shop you want to link, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look near the top of the page, just below the greeting or shop name. You're looking for your store link. Etsy usually displays this as a shareable link, and there will be a little chain or link icon next to it. Click on that chain icon. This will either highlight the link or automatically copy it for you. If it just highlights the text, select it and copy it manually. This URL is what will send people directly to your Etsy storefront, so be sure you copy the whole thing. Now, leave that tab open and open a new tab for Meta Business Suite. This is the dashboard where you manage your Facebook page and related tools. Log in if you need to, and from there, select the Facebook page you want to connect your Etsy shop to. Again, double check you're on the right page, especially if you manage pages for multiple brands or projects. Inside Meta Business Suite, look for the option to edit your Facebook page. You'll typically see an edit or edit page button in the dashboard once your page is selected. Click that to open your page details. On the page settings screen, find the section that includes your page bio. Next to the bio text, you'll see a small pen or pencil icon. Click on that pen icon to start editing your bio. In the bio field, click inside the text box and paste the Etsy link you copied earlier. You can place it on its own line or include a short phrase before it, like "Shop my products here," followed by the link, as long as you don't change the actual URL. When you're happy with how it looks, click on Save. Your Facebook page will update, and your Etsy shop link will now be visible in your bio, ready for visitors to click and shop.